Looking for tumble dryer deals? Here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like. Just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, this Beko Condenser Tumble Dryer has a large 8 kilograms capacity. It also has a B energy rating. The quick dry feature leaves your clothes ready to wear in no time. By Beko. Number 2, 7 kilograms drum capacity. Perfect for a medium household, and will dry up to 21 t-shirts. Anti-tangling technology uses a reverse tumble action. Helps to ensure that your clothes dry evenly and without tangling together, to keep them looking better for longer. By Hotpoint. Number 3, by Candy. Choose the best dryer for your needs. Just click this link below for best offers. Number 4, Bosch Series 4, 8 kilograms heat pump dryer. Automatic condenser cleaning, guarantees a high drying performance, with durably low energy consumption. By Bosch. Number 5, this Zanussi Condenser Tumble Dryer has a large 8 kilograms capacity. It also has a B energy rating. This model stores the moisture removed from your clothes in a special tank, so you can easily empty the water out. By Zanussi.